Hi, glad to see you again. Last time, we had learned about the major scale. Now, I would like to talk with you about the minor scale. There are three types of the minor scale, and we're gonna take a look at them one by one. Natural minor scale is built by starting on the sixth interval of its relative major scale. For instance, the sixth interval of C major scale is A. If we expand this note A as the starting note for a new scale, it becomes the A natural minor scale. The notes are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, and A. Due to this relation, natural scale is often known as relative minor scale. Let's take a look on few more examples. This is G major scale and the sixth interval of G major is E minor. If the E from this scale we take as the root note for a new scale, it then becomes the E natural minor scale. The notes are E, F sharp, G, A, B, C, D, and E. This is E flat major scale. If note C from this scale becomes another new scale, then it is C relative minor scale. The notes are C, D, E flat, F, G, A flat, B flat, and C. So, we can say, as long as we know the major scale, we can simply find its relative minor scale. The relation between natural minor scale with its parallel scale can be seen from this. This is the A major scale. And this is the A minor scale. This is E major scale. And this is the E minor scale. This is C major scale. And this is the C minor scale. It means, if we lowering one flat to the third, sixth, and seventh note of the parallel major scale, it becomes natural minor scale. Harmonic minor scale has the same notes as the natural minor scale, except that the seventh interval is raised by one semitone. Look at this, this is a natural minor scale. If we raise the seventh note with one sharp, it becomes the A harmonic minor scale. This is E relative minor scale. If we put a sharp to the seventh note, it is E harmonic minor scale then. This is C natural minor scale. If we raise the seventh note with one semitone, it becomes C harmonic minor scale. The relation between harmonic minor scale with its parallel major scale could be understood by this example. If we lowering the third and sixth interval of a major scale, it becomes the harmonic minor scale. Look at this example. Melodic minor scale is divided into two, ascending melody and descending melody. Ascending melody is almost similar to harmonic minor scale with the sixth and seventh intervals raised by one semitone. Descending melody is exactly similar to the natural minor scale. It looks like this. At the ascending melody, we need to lowering the third interval. At the descending melody, we need to lowering the third, sixth, and seventh interval. Look at this. That's all for today. Hopefully it's useful for your study. Please click like, subscribe, share and turn on the notification bell to support this channel. Thanks for watching and bye for now.